Are you learning English but still making small mistakes that make people giggle sometimes? Don't worry, you're not alone. Almost every English learner makes these little slips, but today I'll show you 20 real-life English mistakes that most people make and how to fix them forever. I'm eating my medicine. I'm taking my medicine. You don't eat medicine, you take it. He is my cousin brother. He is my cousin. Cousin already means brother or sister. No need to add that. Open the fan. Turn on the fan. Fans and lights are turned on, not opened. Close the light. Turn off the light. You turn off the light. You don't close it. I'm going to home. I'm going home. With home, you never say to. Just say going home. I didn't told you. I didn't tell you. After did, the verb stays in its base form. Today morning, I met him. This morning, I met him. Today morning doesn't sound right. Say this morning. I'm very boring. I'm very bored. If you say I'm boring, you're saying you make others bored. She is married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor. You get married to someone, not with someone. My hairs are long. My hair is long. Hair is uncountable. Never say hairs. But once you fix them, your English will sound natural, confident, and international. Speak smart, not hard. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button right now. Comment below, which mistake do you make the most? And tell me which country you're watching from. Let's reach 700 subscribers together. See you in the next video. Love you, my YouTube family.